How to use Gemini AI for writing. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Gemini AI for writing. So basically what you need is, first thing first, you have to enable Gemini on your device. So you could open a browser version of it, or you could also use the app, and then you just need to sign in with your Google account. The basic version is free. So for this, I'm going to use the Google itself. So type in Gemini on the search bar and go to the first link that appears. After which, you will then be able to see this field. Now, if you're new, you will then be asked to sign in with one of your Google account or existing Google account. Simply select one, and within no time, you'll be directed to this page. Now in the message box, you just want to type a request, the such as example includes write a short story about a space explorer who can find a new planet. You could go ahead and type in that, or you could also use the audio or microphone as well. Just long press onto it, and then you need to be clear with your prompt, and the AI will generate the text based on the prompt, and you just need to provided the follow-up prompt. You need to improve, you could just go ahead and improve it, or maybe ask for more improved version of it. You could then copy the response or export it directly to Google Docs or Gmail draft as well. So this way you'll be able to schedule tasks in. So this way you'll be able to use Gemini AI for writing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.